Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today, we'll be reviewing the Lehui Tabor. Tabor is one of the one of the units designed by Israel, and it looks really, really cool. It's a bullpup design, like the Sterog, and a bullpups, and it's looks cool, really cool. Since it's made by Lehui, which is a well-known gel blaster brand in China, the quality is top-notch. This unit costs around 2,500 from Hydra Blasters MNL, link in the description. And it's, how to say this, even though I do not need it, I want it because it's a bullpup. I love bullpups. This is made by Lehui, so, and there are some markings here also, and here, this is Israel something. More trades, even the free tracer hub trades, the free not fake, yes, it's a fake site hub trades, so it's really nice. This is made in ABS plastic, so it feels cheap, but then again, it is cheap, so what would you expect? So nice. What else? Oh, the fake site works. It looks better than the usual fake sites that comes free with some units. This looks bad. See, but oops, don't fall down. This looks somewhat realistic. It looks better. See, and it's a red and green dot. See? Nice. Comes also with a free tracer. I mean Spitfire, not a tracer. So multicolored tracer. Really nice. Oh, what's this? One off button. Green. Yes, okay. Purple. Multicolor. This also is have working multi-selector. Save. Oops. Semi. This is save. Save. Semi. Full auto. So nice. One of the downsides of this one is its battery is unique. It's an 11.1, but 11.1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's 11.1 battery. Sealed in this one. So battery upgrades will be hard. Although you can open this one and change it. So this is proprietary. One of the negatives. When it comes to the magazine, it has, oops, it's a magazine prime type. I think this looks similar to the old Jingming type magazines. It doesn't fit. This is the, how to show. I think it's easier using this one. Okay. This is the Saima type. hole, and this is the usual Gen 8 mags. As you can see, it's different. So, uh, mags like this will fit, see, will prime, but will not fire because, as you can see, there's a gap. So if you want to use this, you have to hold it so that it can go up. So something to think about. But again, it's nice. Oops. Uh, this is also the magazine catch is not ambidextrous, so that's a con because bullpups need to be ambidextrous because see, I'm a left-handed. I can need to. If I'm a right-handed, maybe. There's also a singular charging handle that also acts as the prime. There's a standard rail here, another standard rail here. Comes with a beautiful fake sight working, although it's not co-witness, but it has sight. See? For a cheap unit, it's not. It's a nice thing to have. Stock magazine, unless you have a specific unit like that, it will not fit on a usual Gen 8 mags. You need to modify the hole, somewhat similar to this one, so that this can be used to a different unit once you when this breaks. Capacity weight. This is extremely light. As in, this is I think 90% plastic. Everything is plastic. Even the gearbox, picture here, and the gearbox and the gears. This is a plastic gears also. So durability wise is questionable. And it's cheap. What would you expect? FPS is around 150 FPS. But since this uses a short barrel, the actual barrel goes up to I think here, something like this here. Uh, I think there's a chance to improve its FPS if we change to a full length barrel up to here, which is around 310 millimeters or 330. I forgot. Uh, this will drastically improve its FPS and accuracy. But again, it is cheap. So when it comes to range, it uh, since doesn't have a hop up, it barely reaches the usual my target sight of 10 meters. Around 9 meters, it goes down. So you need to put it a little bit higher so that it will hit those items. The camera is falling. Yeah. So another cons. Range, not so much. But once I do the mod for this one, I change the inner barrel to a longer one with the hop up. It will increase its accuracy and range. And last but not least, for the price of 2,500, is it worth it? Depends. I'm a collector. I have lots of units. So having a Tabor is worth its price because one, it's a Lehui, and the quality, the trades, it's good for its price. The magazine can be transferred to a different unit in the future, but you need to do some modifications. The sight, I like this one. The Tracer Spitfire can be moved to a different one. Even though I forgot to say it has no thread, so uh, I think I need to design adapter for this one for a different unit. I can do that. So if this will be given as a gift to a child, it will be they will be very happy because it has a prime. Oh, well, forgot. There's a blowback action. Okay? And this is Spitfire. So it ticks all the boxes for a child. So at 2,500, not bad. And since this is also available in Lazada already, again in the description, the coming 2 sale, you might get this for even cheaper depending on your voucher. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just post it down in the comment section down below and I will answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Bye-bye!